Hi everyone, today we are going to look at the solutions to Sa2 Revision paper 2012, paper 1. Question 1. Round off 961,058 to the nearest 10,000. So let's look at the digit in the 10,000 place. We know that that is the digit 6. And so I need to look at the digit in the thousands place. And this one is less than 4. So we would round down. So my answer would be 960,000. So option 1 is the answer. Question 2. 2 times 59 is the same as 2 times 59 just as the same as 2 times 3 is 2 groups of 3. Right? So 2 times 59 is 2 groups of 59. So I have 59 plus another 59. So which is 10,9. Now 2 times 59 would also be 10,9. So from here, I know that my possible answer would be option 3, 59 plus 59. So option 3 is my answer. 467.081 is 400. 400 belongs to this digit 4. 60 belongs to the digit 6. 7 belongs to digit 7. So I'm left with 0.081. We know that 0.081 is actually 81 out of 1000 because there are 3 decimal places. Okay, so answer is 0.081, which is option number 4. Express 13 out of 25 as a percentage. So I take 13 out of 25 as a percentage. I times 100%. So the divide here is 4. And my answer would be 52%. So option number 2 is my answer. What is the ratio of the shaded parts to that of the unshaded parts? So my shaded part is 3 unit. My unshaded part is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 3 is to 9, which is 1 is to 3. Option number 1. The following figure not drawn to scale is made up of a square and an equilateral triangle. What is an equilateral triangle? Means all the sides the same. So I know this is the same as all these sides. I need to find the perimeter of the figure. Perimeter means the outline. So let's count the number of outlines. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So I take 20 times 5. Answer would be 100 cm. Option number 2. The perimeter of a trapezium is 120 cm. What is the average length of the sides of the trapezium? So I know the trapezium has 1, 2, 3, and 4 sides. So I take 120 divided by 4. Answer would be 30 cm. Option number 2. Which of the following is the same as 17.05 kilometer? So I know that 1 kilometer is 1000 meter. 17 kilometer will be 17,000 meter. 0.05 kilometer. So 0.05 kilometer, to change to meter, I take 0.05 times 1000. Move the decimal place 1, 2, 3. I will get 50 meter. So my answer would be 17 kilometer and 50 meter. Option number 3. This is a parallelogram. I'm sorry. I need to find angle ABC. I know that in a parallelogram, opposite angles are the same. So angle ABC would be also 40 degree. which is option number 1. What is the solid? The solid below is built using 1 cm cubes. So what is the volume of the solid? So I know that the base would be 9, the middle will be 4, and the top is 1. So always count from the base. Base I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So the base is 9, 4, 1. So altogether I would have 14 cm cube. Option number 1. David is 11 years old. Susie is 2 years older than him. So I know David is 11 years old. Susie will be 11 plus 2 because it's 2 years older, which is 13 years old. How old is Susie 5 years later? So 5 years later will be Susie 13 plus 5, which is 18 years old. So option number 4. Question 12. Average of two numbers A and B is 28. So I know my average two numbers is 28. I find my total of the two numbers will be 28 times 2, which is 56. The ratio of A to B is 1 is to 7, 1 is to 6. So A is to B is 1 is to 6. My total unit is 7 units. So my 7 unit is 56. 1 unit will be 8. I want to find the value of A. A is 1 unit. So 1 unit is 8. So option number 1. Tom had 6 kilogram of sand. He used 1/4 of it. So he used 1/4 of this. How much sand had he left? So if we are going to look at this, this is Tom's sand. He used 1/4. He left with 3/4. So use 1/4 times 5, 6. And left will be 3/4 times 5, 6. So how much sand did he left? I want to look at this part here. So I cross multiply. I will get 5 out of 8. So my answer would be 5, 8. Option number 1. 14, sorry. Ashley, May and Joyce shared $10.50. Ashley received thrice as much as May. So I know Ashley 3 times of May, and May received $3 less than Joyce. So Joyce would be $3 more than May. Total amount they receive is $10.50. So what do? I take $10.50 minus off my $3, which I left $7.50. I divide by 5 unit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 unit is my $7.50. 1 unit would be $1.50. How much did May receive? May is 1 unit, so May received $1.50, which is question 15. The usual price of a file is $6. At a sale, it is sold at 20% discount. How much is the discount? So I know I need to find usual price, which is this is your 100%. It is sold at 20% discount. So my 100% is my $6. So 1% would be 6 out of 100. 20% would be 6 out of 100 times 20. And it would be $1.20. Alternatively, I can take 20 out of 100 times $6, which will also give me $1.20. So my answer is option number 1. Question 16. What is the value of 25 plus 7 times 13 minus 4 divided by 3? So here I need to know, need to do my brackets first. So 13 minus 4 would be 9. So I take 25 plus 7 times 9 divided by 3. My next step, I would have to do my multiply first. So it's 25 plus 7 times 9 is 63. Then I divide by 3. The following step, I would do 63 divided by 3 will get 21. So 25 plus 21, and my final answer will be 46. So 46 is my answer. Arrange the following fractions in descending order. So from here, let's look at this. Descending order means it's going down. So I start from the greatest and I end with the smallest. So this is my greatest, this is my smallest. So from here, I can see that 12 divided by 3 would be a 4. 16 third would be 5 and 1 third. Then I have 2 7 and I have 2 9. So the greatest would be my 5 and 1 third, which is 16 third. Second great biggest would be the 12 third, which is my 4 whole. Now I need to look at these two. 2 7 and 2 9. So which would be greater? Yes, because I sharing with fewer people, I sharing with more people. So my next greater fraction will be 2 7. My 2 9 would be my smallest fraction. What is the missing number in the box? So 356 times 22 is 356 times 0.22. How do I change 0.22 to 22? I must multiply by 100. So I move 1, 2 places to get 22. So my answer in the box is 100. Express 44% as a fraction in its simplest form. So 44 divided by 100 as a fraction. So if I divide by 2, I can divide by 4, right? So 44 divided by 4 with 11. 100 divided by 4 is 25. So my answer is 11, 25. A basket contains 15 balls. 7 of them are red balls. So 7 are red and the rest are yellow. So 15 minus 7 will be 8. These are yellow balls. What is the ratio of the red balls to the yellow ball? So red ball is 7, yellow is 8. So answer is 7 is to 8. In the figure not drawn to scale, E, F, G is a right angle triangle. Find the area of the shaded triangle. So I need to find this shaded part. Let's look at my base. My base would be 12 minus 8, which is my 4 cm. My height is my right angle, the side here. So I know my height will be 7. So area of triangle is half times base times height. My base is 4. My height is 7. So answer is 14 cm square. The line graph below shows the sales volume of cars in the first 6 months of the year. What is the average? I need to find the average number of cars sold in the 6 months. So let's look for the total. So my total would be January is 60, February 50, March is 40, April 40, May 60, and June 50. So I have to add up all to find my total. 50 plus 50 will be 100. 40 plus 60 is 100. 40 plus 60 is 100. So I know my total is 300. I want to find my average, so divide by the months. So it's 1 month, 2 month, 3 month, 4 month, 5 month, 6 month. So my average will be 300 divided by 6. My answer would be 50. Nathan ran 2 minutes, takes 2 minutes to run 60 meter. So 2 minutes I know he has to run 600 meter. How many kilometers he has to run in 1 hour? So I know in 1 hour is 60 minutes. So 2 minutes, so 1 minute he would run 300 meter. 60 minutes he would run 300 times 60, which is 18,000. I want to change, this is in meter, I want to change to kilometer. So it's 18,000 divided by 1,000. I move my decimal place and I will get 18 kilometer. So my answer is 18 kilometer. Question 24. In the figure below not drawn to scale, shows an isosceles triangle CDE and a square ABCD. Angle BCE is 150 degree. Find angle CED. So I need to find this angle. Okay, this angle lies in an isosceles triangle. In order to find this, I need to find what is this angle. Angle DCE. So angle DCE lies in the point here. So I must take 360 minus my 90 degree, which is my right angle, minus my 150 degree, and I will get 120 degree. So I know this is 120. So my angle CED would be 180 degree minus 120 degree divided by 2 because it's an isosceles triangle. So with 60 degree divided by 2, answer would be 30 degree. Question 25. What is the volume of water in the tank? How to find volume? Is length times breadth times height. Find the volume of the water in the tank will be I think my length is 10, my breadth is 20, and my height is 15. So length times breadth times height, I will get 3000 cm cube. Question 26. Lollipops are sold only in packets of 6. Each packet costs $4. So remember, it's only in packets of 6. So Cindy has $71. How many lollipops she can buy? So from here, I know that altogether he has $71 and one packet costs $4. So I take 71 divided by 4, my $4. I would have 7. Buy 7 packets and I have a remainder $3. So 7 packets, where I know one packet is 6. So 17 times 6, and my answer would be 102. So there are 102 lollipops. After spending 3/10 of his money on a book and 2 erasers, Sunny had $21 left. So he has money, he spent 3/10, he would have left 7/10. 7/10 left $21. So I know my 7 unit is my $21. 1 unit would be my $3. How much did the book and 2 erasers cost? So he spent this on book and erasers. So 3 unit would be 3 times 3. Answer is $9. 28. One lap of racing track measures 4.3 km. During a race of 37 laps, a driver needs to refuel after completing 21 laps. So altogether there are 37 laps. The driver stops to fuel after 21 laps. So how many more kilometers does he need to finish? So I take 37 laps minus 21 laps. I will get 16 laps. So I know one lap is 4.3. So I take 16 times 4.3. kilometer, and we'll have 68.8 kilometer. This is 16 laps times 4.3 kilometer. Question 29. Mrs. Tan baked a total of 240 muffins. 180 were blueberry muffins and the rest were chocolate muffins. So I know that 240 total minus 180 blueberry, I will be left with 60 chocolate. What percentage of the muffins were chocolate muffins? So 60 out of my total, which is my 240, times 100%. And my answer will be 25%. Question 30. The ratio of the length of breadth to the height of a box is 7:3 is to 2. The length of the box is 14 cm. So my length is to breadth is to height is 7:3:2. The length of the box is 14. So I know this is 14 cm. So 7 times 2 will be 14. 3 times 2 will be 6. 2 times 2 will be 4. I want to find the volume of the box. So volume is length times breadth times height. So I take 14 times 6 times 4. And my answer will be 336 cm cube. We have come to the end of the solution to our paper 1 SA2 revision 2012. Goodbye.